Hey, unclecow Army. Just slowly packing stuff up here. Um, but I thought as you can see, I got my EDC bag already ready to go. Thought I'd stop and do a video on first blaster I got, the Nerf Elite 2.0 Commander. Okay, do the Retaliator tomorrow, I hope. But this was easier to do today. This was like 20 something on Walmart.com. And yeah, I was getting ambushed almost every day unarmed, so I went and bought this thing. These are not the darts that came. It came with the Nerf Elite darts are not that great. There are better darts out there for sure. These are great, and they're pretty accurate and stuff. But how this works is, you know, pull back on this thing and pull the trigger. Pretty easy operation, and it's a turret thing. It's not magazine fed, so that's why I usually put the sword stock on there. Video will be posted at the end of this video. I already did the video on the storage stock, but that goes on there and stores ammo for me since I can't use magazines on this one. But pretty easy operation. You see, it's got rails on here. You can actually get things to attach to these rails. These are not just looks. So you can attach these things to the rails, and you can attach things like the barrel blaster on this barrel right here. But it's a bit too cumbersome and looks weird. So and for the purposes of this video, I wanted to do a bit of bones of what the commander is. But I do recommend getting the sword stock so you have ammo storage since you can't use magazines, and having a secondary blaster on any Nerf blaster is a good idea, especially if you're in actual Nerf battles, right? So that's pretty much the Nerf Elite Commander. The Nerf Elite series is a bit cheaper or less expensive, I should say. It does have sling points here, but that's the only sling point on here. I suppose you could put an optic up here, but I wouldn't. You don't really need it on this one. So, but very easy video for you guys today. Hopefully I can get to the Retaliator tomorrow. Um, Tomorrow I can say the day after tomorrow I leave. And tomorrow I'll do the Retaliator hopefully. Have my last session with Master Dark. And hoping I can still get to the Motor Blitz before I leave here. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Thank you all for the support. Let me know if you have any questions. And like I always say, don't do anything I wouldn't do.